Chinese staff, but the Chinese embassy in the EU said no, she was engaged of suspected of
Yes, sir. What? Nope, I'm just waiting for the shake. No, I'm just waiting for the milkshake. Vanilla's fine.
I'm sorry?
Vanilla's fine. Not a problem. You have a good day.
films. I thought that is an interesting move to me. Are they afraid that these companies are just getting too much power, and so they're rivaling their own government's influence?
Well, there could be a number of different dramas that would play out that would make them sort of clamp their jaws down on these folks. We know that they operate in a very corrupt system. It could be that people in those enterprises tried some things that they can't get away with, and the bad guys in Beijing are going to punish them for not being able to get away with it. It also could be that they were meant to secure a beachhead in foreign markets, and now that the Trump administration, Secretary Pompeo from the State Department, but a lot of our allies have a very bad taste in their mouth in terms of the Communist Party's propaganda war on all of us. There's the public pushback, and so people maybe are more wary to adopt these platforms and technologies than they were before. So maybe they're failing their mission to the mothership, and they've got to pay a price in that regard. But the burden is really very much on us and our allies for seeing these companies and their financiers for what they are. And I think we're just the very beginning of that process. The Trump administration went in the right direction, but needed to go much further. I'm grateful for what they were able to do. But as a country and as allies around the world, there's so much more we need to do to push this back. Because the beachhead they gained over decades of academia, entertainment, big tech, and the boardrooms and Wall Street is just so massive.
To that point, we're speaking to Stephen Yates at Yates DCIA. Just a couple more things for you, and I know that we want to get you back on beachside, so I appreciate you. You were talking about.
Should not bless me with beach pigments. So daytime, okay to be talking.
So that 100 SPF is for there. Just keep that on.
Important for our food security. If you go to any function in our community,